everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add freeze frame clone effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the video, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the style, click on it, and swipe until you can see a freeze frame. In here you can see a freeze frame 1 and 2. You can choose the freeze frame that you want. I want to try to add a freeze frame 2, so you just click on it. Okay, please waiting. Okay, still waiting. Okay, after this you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add auto frame clone effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.